Today's engines run at increasingly higher temperatures.
Some engines, in planes for example, run hotter than the actual melting temperature of the components.
Higher temperatures means greater efficiency, which means lower emissions, a key factor as we head for net zero. But for designers, this creates a host of problems.
The higher the temperature, the shorter the lifetime of your components. There's a risk that everything could overheat. So those thermal engineers are after really accurate temperature measurements.
They do this with a process called thermal temperature mapping. It's critical for designing complex and effective cooling systems. Sensor coating systems, or SCS, have developed groundbreaking technology to do just that to a level of detail unprecedented in its field.
We provide the service to the gas turbine industry on a global scale for power generation, aerospace, and also for automotive.
What we do is we provide more data and higher quality data than anything else out there.
The data it returns can accelerate the design process and validation from months to just days. They're now a global company and runaway leaders in their field.
You know, other techniques, you need to drill holes into your components, you need to have lots of cables, you need to have access, you need to drill windows. All we do is we have a coating, a very, very thin coating, and we get full coverage, high quality data.
Their unique temperature memory coating is just one part of a complex process. SCS has designed and developed the instrumentation and the robotics to harvest and interpret the data. They've created a brand new high-tech industrial sector.
The paint manufacturers, the coating manufacturers, the powder manufacturers, we had to actually build the entire supply chain from scratch and actually put this into the UK, and that's what we did.
Initially, they could only map temperatures up to 900 degrees. Now they've developed their smart coatings to map temperatures to above 1600 degrees, and the amount of data has grown exponentially.
We're able to give really, really high density data. That means you're not just getting one data point or 5 or 10, you're getting thousands.
The huge amount of data will enable us to use neural networks, to use artificial intelligence, to marry this data up with the latest design learnings.
SCS has now automated the temperature measurement mapping with their own technology. And there's more. Previously, components were installed in an engine, tested, removed again, and analysed. Time-consuming and expensive. Now, SCS are working to develop a system that will test and analyse the components in situ. This will significantly accelerate and cut the cost of the design process even further.
If you think about the implementation of hydrogen engines, so if you fire hydrogen and you're driving towards a hydrogen economy, then you need to redesign engines, and you need to do that fast.
And that's where temperature measurements, and therefore our technology, is going to prove key. And I think we have the perfect technology to enable this revolution to take place.